So guys and girls, I'm going to remove these scratches off this Maserati. Got some scratches on the quarter panel, as you can see there, and some here. And I'm using the Kovax block from the Kovax kit. I've already started on this one, but my Kovax was blunt, which is now stuck on there. So these are the ones I've used on other jobs. They do last a long time, and there are occasions where I've used them wet as well, so just to get more life out of them. But pretty easy to do, and basically just see if we can reduce these scratches down. So a few rubs. Just lightly rubbing the scratches out, change direction. So we've got that one disappeared. Got multiple scratches along here, and I think possibly caused by a cat. The chap owns a cat, and it could have scratched the car, but who knows? Just a guess. So just quickly rub it. This one's a little bit too deep, but we'll go for it anyway. If it comes to it, I'll paint that a bit in, but let's see if we can get that out. So in the background, you can see it clogs up. I just literally just wiping it on my work trouser. But you can always use a cloth. Okay. So that one there is a little too deep, but I do have the paint for this car. Because years ago I painted the whole thing for the owner. What I'll do is I'll let a bit of paint into there, block it down, polish it up, and that will remove that deeper scratch, because that is just slightly gone a bit too deep into the clear. Yeah, a bit too deep. But anyway, carry on. Remove this one. And by the way, this is a 1500 on a Kovax. Got some there. So get them out. And now for the quarter panel. Get these out. The good thing about these blocks is that they're a firm block. So you can really control the pressure, and you can also control how you're using it. So you can see on here, I'm just using a little nib of the corner of the block, and really getting into that scratch area. So that's removed. Now we've got another one here. There you go. You can see it's making a difference. Okay. So very faint. I don't know if you can see it on this camera. It's a very faint line there, but that's acceptable. This one's a bit too deep, so we'll push a bit of paint into there, flat it a bit more, and then polish it out. But yeah, that's the Kovax Tolecut system.